This is a quick tutorial on what to do if your garage door isn't opening. Please undertake all garage door maintenance safely. The most common reason your garage door won't open is due to a low battery in the remote or wall button. Simply replace the battery and test the door again. If you have auto lock installed, another reason your garage door might not open is because it is stuck in the engaged position. If this is the case, contact B&D to arrange a qualified door technician to come and assist. Your door may also not be opening if it slipped off its guide rails. If you suspect this is the case, call B&D to arrange a professional service. Do not attempt to lift the door back onto the guardrails on your own. Springs or cables may be broken or snapped and could put you in danger. If your garage door still won't open, give us a call on 13 62 63 or visit bnd.com.au. We'd be happy to help you get your garage door back up and running again.